Hello, my name is Shivam and this is DodoArc. DodoArc is the programmable spend control layer for AI products. The problem we are solving is simple. Today, Dodo payments can handle checkout, subscriptions, and fiat payments very well. But after a user pays, AI founders still need a way to control how their backend spends money on models, APIs, tools, and agent workflows. That is where DodoArc fits. Dodo handles billing in fiat, and DodoArc handles credits, spend policies, blocked runs, and settlement proof on Solana. On the landing page, you can see the core product story. Human users pay in fiat, founders monetize AI products through Dodo, and DodoArc makes sure backend usage stays inside programmable limits. Now I'll log in as a founder. This is the founder control plane. The founder first registers as a developer. Next, the founder registers their app. In this step, the founder is not hosting the app on DodoArc. The founder still owns their own product, their own users, and their own runtime. DodoArc is acting as the infrastructure layer behind that product. Here the founder creates the app integration, chooses the plan, and defines the credits consumed per backend run. After that, the founder connects their own Dodo billing credentials. This is important because founder revenue still belongs to the founder. DodoArc does not become the merchant of record. Dodo continues to handle checkout while DodoArc handles post-payment control. Now I'll simulate a Dodo payment of 499 rupees. This represents a user buying the founder's paid AI plan through Dodo. Once the payment succeeds, DodoArc receives the billing signal and activates access state for the founder's app. From here, the important part starts. Now we move to spend policies. This is the main product wedge of DodoArc. The founder can define guardrails like maximum credits per run, daily spend caps, approval thresholds, and a full pause switch. These controls make sure that paid AI actions do not blindly consume expensive backend resources. In other words, even after payment succeeds, backend spend is still controlled. So before an agent or workflow can call a paid tool, DodoArc checks whether the user has enough credits, whether the app is paused, whether the run exceeds the per run limit, and whether the daily budget has already been consumed. If the run violates policy, it gets blocked before spend happens. If the run is allowed, DodoArc records the usage, deducts credits, and creates settlement receipts. This gives the founder a reliable control layer between checkout and backend spending. That is the real value of DodoArc. It is not just a dashboard. It is an infrastructure system that sits between billing and AI runtime spend. So the full flow is: a founder connects their app, a user pays in fiat through Dodo, DodoArc activates paid access, then every backend action is checked against policy before money is spent, and each approved paid action can be traced with settlement proof on Solana, that is DodoArc. Fiat in, programmable spend control in the middle, and verifiable settlement out. Thank you.